With just 5% down payment, you can now own this premium finish 3-story house and lot here in Las Piñas. Ready for occupancy and pre-selling units are available, so keep on watching. Hi mga kaprima, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another Las Piñas home tour. Kung matagal ka na ngang naghahanap ng flood-free, fault-line-free at sulit na package house and lot here in Las Piñas, ito na ang unit na para sa'yo at sa pamilya mo. Sulit dahil di ka tinipid sa materyales, polido ang pagkakagawa, at ito nga yung unit na literal na lilipatan mo na lang kasi complete finished turnover including the cabinets, fence, and gate. And yes, so what we see in this house tour video is the actual turnover already. We have one remaining ongoing construction or RFO units na 5% ang down payment, at ang kagandahan dyan, maximum of 6 months to pay pa. The rest of other units are still on pre-selling stage wherein 10% ang down payment spread over 12 months. Kaya naman flexible talaga ang DP term natin. This is through bank financing and cash payment. Kung makikita mo, ang ganda ng materyales na ginamit sa kitchen area natin and overall ng bahay. Even the layout from ground floor up to the top floor talagang na-maximize ang space ng property lot mo. For the unit specifications, depende sa unit at location na mapipili mo, but our minimum floor area is around 162 square meters. That's our total developed area, and the minimum lot area naman is around 60 square meters for the smallest cut ng lot. We have available units na ang lot size ay umaabot ng 100 plus, so depende na lang din yan sa mapipili mo, and of course kung ano yung gusto mong location. For a typical floor area, meron kang 3 to 4 bedrooms, at ang master's bedroom ay meron ng walk-in closet. Bawat kwarto kasama na rin ang premium finish na cabinet. You got powder room sa ground floor and 3 other bathrooms. Price starts at 9 million pesos only, depende yan sa lote at location na mapipili mo. What I love about this unit na talagang nagsistand out among the projects we have is for this unit, meron kang family area na convertible to another bedroom. And again, this is available through bank financing and cash payment, and hassle-free on your end kasi kami naman na magpa-process ng home loan mo through bank financing. So all you have to do is to comply with the requirements and also submit your form. Kaya naman, hindi na ako magtataka kung bakit isa to sa mabenta naming project right now, because sobrang sulit talaga ng package inclusion nito compared to other Las Piñas projects. Kaya naman, if you're working abroad, self-employed, or locally employed and looking for a premium house and lot located in Las Piñas, then try to consider this unit. Napaka-accessible nito going to Evia and also Alabang area. Definitely malapit ka lang din at accessible going to airport. Few units na lang available natin, kaya wag ka na magpahuli, lalo na kung ang target mo is the ready for occupancy or on